Baby,
Hi.
what are you doing?
Waiting for the fire to start.
Yeah, you can't see anything.
No.
Flash your camera if you can.
Okay.
Just take a picture.
Ready?
Yo.
You can't see it.
Whoa, that's bright. That little flash is a sofa, and there's two little fires just there.
Not really little.
No, but you can't see them. Hello, everybody. So let's go. We're going to mooch up to the clubhouse
And have a hot dog.
and have a hot dog or two. Chelsea's a bit.
I'm not having two.
Chelsea's a bit. Chelsea's liking our English food. Chelsea's getting a bit of a tummy on her.
No, I'm not.
Joe, I am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are.
Yeah.
Because I cook good food.
You do cook good food. Yo. Oh.
Don't step in a puddle.
Nice. Love you.
Love you.
Bye. Yep. This is the fire. My eyes. Whoa. Oh my God! That is ace!
I love them.